Hello, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. This is Elizabeth, and today let's make a snack cake or a travel cake that is perfect to go with your tea or coffee and perfect for the fall too. We're gonna make an almond cinnamon streusel cake featuring our almond flour, our vanilla Madagascar bourbon extract, and our almond extract water soluble. Using a stand mixer, you can also use a hand mixer to do this. I'm gonna cream a quarter cup or half a stick of unsalted room temperature butter and cream it with sugar and vegetable oil. You can use any flavorless oil. I'm using 1 cup of granulated white sugar and a quarter cup of flavorless vegetable oil. Now let's cream it until it's very pale, creamy and fluffy. I'm going to drop in 1 large egg and cream it again to mix it all together. As soon as it's combined, I stop mixing. I'm going to add the flavoring that's going to elevate this cake to a whole different level. First of all, our base flavor, we have vanilla, and this is our vanilla Madagascar bourbon extract. It's so powerful and really potent, so I just have to drop in only 1 teaspoon of it. Also, I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of our almond extract. This is what it is gonna be the star of the show that flavors our cake into that yummy almond flavor. I'm gonna mix it in. Now we're gonna alternate the wet and the dry ingredients into the creamed butter, sugar, and egg mixture. So I have here 1.5 cups of cake flour or all-purpose flour. I'm going to mix it with our almond flour. Our almond flour is super fine, no sifting needed. It is actually perfect for all your bakes. I'm going to drop in the flour and half a cup of almond flour. Like I said, no sifting needed. I'm also going to drop in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and give it a good mix so we have all the dry ingredients combined and well distributed. And now we have our dried ingredients ready. I'm going to alternate it with our wet ingredient. I have here 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk, and we're going to alternate it. I'm going to start with the dry ingredient. Drop in half of the buttermilk, more of the dry, and the rest of the buttermilk. And we're going to finish off with the last batch of the dry ingredient and one final gentle mix. So you can stop mixing as soon as you see no streaks of flour or any of the ingredients separate in there. We're done, and I'm just going to keep this aside while I make the streusel. In a bowl, I'm going to combine half a cup of cake flour or all-purpose flour, half a cup of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon sugar. I'm going to give this a mix. Also, I'm going to drop in 1/3 of a cup of unsalted softened butter. So now here I have the crumbled topping also ready to go. I'm going to set this to the side and bring out my prepped cake pan. So I have an 8x8-inch glass tray. You can also use a cake pan, and I've sprayed it with non-stick spray and lined the bottom with parchment paper. I'm going to drop in the cake batter we have ready to go here. So once you've smoothed out the batter in the tray, I'm just going to give it a couple of taps on the counter to release any air pockets or air bubbles in there. And now I'm going to top it with that flavorful crumble that we made. and I'm gonna top it with some slivered almonds. And we're going to top it off with the rest of the crumble, and our streusel cake is ready to be baked. I'm going to bake this at 350 F or 180 C for around 35 to 40 minutes, or until the skewer installed in the middle of the cake comes out clean. So here we have the cake done, ready, cooled, and I'm going to cut a slice and taste how it is. So here we have the perfect snack cake. Look at it. It's so moist, it's spongy, light, and at the same time you can keep having it and not get tired of it because it has a little bit of spice, crunch of almonds, not overly filled with sugar. So it's actually the perfect level of sweetness, and the flavors are perfect for fall. If you make this easy, simple recipe for almond cinnamon streusel cake, don't forget to tag us at Amoretti on our social media channels on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok. Also, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment below how you found this cake to be if you make it. Thank you.